Okay, so when we all start, the question is, where am I going to find my people? How am I going to find my network? What are the steps I need to do to find the people that I want to either, promote to, or ask the question of, would you like to join my team, or would you like to create some more income? These are the sort of things that we need to build on. So first of all, I highly advise using your stories. So you're going to set yourself up for success, and you're going to go to your platform, whether it's Instagram or Facebook, and you're going to actually promote your page, like a picture of you in your profile picture, making sure you've got rid of anything that you don't want people to see on your page. So get yourself ready for success, and then you're going to start taking really, really good note of who's watching your stories, because this is the way to never ever run out of people to connect with, talk to, message, ask questions to, and engage with. So this is a really important factor of learning how to do social selling, is learning how to use your stories, whether it's on Facebook or Instagram. There's some really, really good tutorials and tricks on how to use them in Google or on YouTube. So make sure that you go to the ends of the earth to find out exactly the best way to use your stories for social selling. Now, I'm going to do a separate little section on this, because I'm going to teach you exactly a successful way or a successful formula of using your stories to attract people. But the biggest thing that I can say to you right now is be an engaged user. If you're on the platform, use the platform. If you see something you love, press the love button. If you see something that somebody doing a great job, go and tell them, comment. Be an active user on the platform that you are on, because this will build your algorithm. This will basically say to the platform that this is an active user. People want to see my content because you're actively commenting, you're actively on the platform. So they're going to push your content more out to people that want to see your stuff. So make sure that you are obviously building your network in the correct way, where if you're posting something positive, or if you've got a daily affirmation that you do, have a plan of what you want, what your message is to go across, and who your target market is. My target market is essentially mums, because I am a mum. I resonate with mums. I do mum things, and people will resonate with me. So I share my story as a mum. Sometimes it's about me, sometimes it's about Harry, sometimes it's about daily life, but also there'll be a product in my story that somebody will see every single day. So I will use my story as a platform to invite people to chat to me. I will also chat to them, because on your very first story, you get a little eye at the bottom, and those are the people that are watching you. I call them the story creepers. So they're the people that you can build up. You can build up your engagement. It doesn't matter if you've got one watch, if you've got 200 watches, or if you've got, if 30 people are watching you. But those are the people that you want to, go and engage with, and just say, hey, thanks for watching my story. How you going? But make sure that you actually message them from the first page of the story. So you clicked into your story, and you can see the people that are watching, and there's 3 dots at the side, and you click on that link there, and you put message. So you send them a message. So when they get that message, that story will automatically pop up in their feed, and they will know that they're watching your story, because you've messaged them from the story. So it's a great way of engaging with people, and it's a great way of telling people, I know that you're watching. But if people don't reply, that's okay. Just make sure that you're building a list of people that are watching your stuff, and make sure that it's engaging. Make sure there's a story. Make sure that people can laugh. Ask questions, use the polls. Again, I will do a separate training on how to use polls, because they're really, really important when getting people to engage. Not always about business. Sometimes it's just about daily life, but the engagement part is the most important, because as soon as people click on your story and start engaging, they will automatically see your story every single time you put one up. So It's a great way of engaging, it's a great way of attracting, and it's also a great way of never running out of people to chat to. So these are some great tips. I'm going to go into this a little bit more detail, and we're going to do some story sessions, but I hope that that's given you a really good start of where to go and how to get started. Thanks so much for listening, and let's take action together.